Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today we're making Johnnies Greek Burgers. Johnny was one of my best friends, or he was my best friend growing up as a kid, and I was talking to him the other night and he told me about a burger his partner ordered. She wanted a burger with a lot, and the story is just too funny. Alright, we're going to start off with 500 grams worth of beef mince. Right, I've just bought that from the supermarket. You buy it from your butcher, buy it from your local farmer. We're going to add in a good 2 teaspoons worth of salt, and we're going to add in some salt and pepper to taste, and about a 2 teaspoons worth of dried oregano, and a good teaspoon's worth of garlic paste. Right, straight in. Give all of that a good mixy mix, just like that. Get all those flavors incorporated, right, just like I'm doing right there. All right, so make sure we get things really nicely combined. We're basically doing like a souvlaki type flavor to this. All right, I'll let that sit for a little while. Now it's time to start getting ready to make up our burgers. So I'm going to compress that into a nice ball, give that a little bit of a flatten out. That is too big for a burger. Right, we're going to cut this into 4. So these are going to be quite sizable types of burgers. All right, so we're just going to take each quarter, give that all a good compress, and make them into a nice tight little balls, just like that. Alright, so take your time getting that all together and make sure all the fat and all the meat and all those flavours are all combined quite nicely. Alright, pretty simple sort of stuff. Alright, so just keep going through, and by cutting it in quarters, we're going to end up with pretty similar types of sizes. Right, I'm just going to give that a light press down just with the palm of my hand, just like that. I want a little bit of thickness to these. I don't want them too thin. I'm not after a smash burger on this one. Alright, so give them a little bit of a flip, make sure we've got them not sticking to the board, of course. Alright, and they can sit for around about 20 minutes. Now, here I've got a pot of water. I'm going to add in 2 or 3 eggs, just like that. Usually 1 egg per burger is the preferred method because that is what's required. Right, a little bit of heat, little bit of white vinegar. It's going to help them stop cracking. Now the funniest thing with this particular burger, when John was telling me about this, was an Australian burger, we've got the salad, we've got the patty, we usually have some beetroot, maybe some pineapple and some egg, and what Johnny's girlfriend ended up with was something completely different. So keep watching, you'll see what she ended up receiving from this little takeaway in Greece. Toasted up some buns, right, just store bought. Now I'm going to add some halloumi cheese. Now I've just cut these up to nice little slices, just under 10 millimeters thick, and we're just going to grill these off and get that beautiful halloumi char that we all love with this particular cheese. And if you haven't had halloumi cheese before, wow, it is just so good. Give them a little bit of a wiggle, make sure they're not sticking at all. This teppanyaki pan, they won't. Just make sure they're not going to be sticking if you've got a barbecue that you're cooking these on, which will work perfectly. Give them a turn from time to time. Make sure we've got the right amount of toastage happening on the nice little flat surfaces, and look at those, they look absolutely perfect at the moment. So just keep cooking those off, and once they're cooked and got a nice bit of char on either side and any whey or anything like that has escaped the cheese, we're getting ready for our next step, and that is basically we're going to cook our lamb burger. Alright, so we're just going to put that down on our hot plate, just like that. You can use a fry pan, you could use a griddle pan. Probably won't work quite as well for some of the ingredients. So we're just going to cook these off and make sure we get a nice little bit of colour on them, just like that. We're not going to cook them too far and fast. We want a little bit of pinkness on the inside. If you want them well done, by all means, make them well done. Right, so we're going to cook those. They're going to take around about sort of 5 minutes per side. The fat's going to come out of those. Look at that. And we're going to end up with the most amazing burgers. Right, I'm just going to take those off onto a tray, put those aside, and get ready for making our next little part. Now those eggs, we boiled those for 4 minutes. We've let them come down to a nice chill. We've peeled them and they're ready for our burger. A little bit of halloumi goes down on the heel of our burger. We're going to put down our burger patty just like that, and I was trying to work out the sauce for this, and we're just going to add just a little bit of tomato ketchup on top, just like that. And when John and I were discussing on how to make this burger, well, we were in stitches. We were just laughing so hard. Right, little slice of tomato that goes down. Now here I've got a little bit of rocket or arugula for you Americans. I'm going to put that straight on top, just like that. Now when we're going to put a little bit of aioli on our top bun, just like that. Now when Johnny's girlfriend asked for the burger, they basically just got the burger and put a whole boiled egg on top. I'm not lying to you, that's what they did. Right, just put a whole boiled egg on top. Now as you can see from me trying to recreate this, that egg is not going to sit, and of course the top of the bun is not going to sit at all, especially with the aioli. It's just going to slide off and it looks absolutely ridiculous. So I have to put it on my egg slicer, give it a little bit of a slicey slice, and put some sliced bits of that hard boiled egg, or go a medium boiled egg on top. And there you go, we've got Johnny's Greek Burger. Funny story, and it ended up being one of the most delicious burgers I have ever had. Serve it up with some fries, just like that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. If you want to learn how to make a dish which was a complete accident on the other side of the world, just like this one, well, this is one of them. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat these amazing Johnny's Greek burgers, and I will catch you next time. Bye.